From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your evening weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
And what a smoking hot day it was around East Tennessee once again, but there is some relief on the way. Hi, everybody. Sure hope you had a great Monday. As we talk about the big picture story, we've got a big area of high pressure that's been hanging out across much of the deep south and the Gulf of Mexico, but here comes some energy in the atmosphere, and this energy is going to be swinging its way on in. And as it does so, it's going to spark off increasing chances for those showers and thunderstorms. Here's the latest information by the Storm Prediction Center, where we do have a level 1 risk for much of East Tennessee, and we've been tracking in those showers and thunderstorms throughout the evening hours, and that's really going to be the story here for the rest of the evening and through the early overnight hours. But as we head through the overnight hours tonight, looks like a lot of this energy will slowly wind down. Concerns for severe weather, damaging wind being the main threat. Low category when it comes to hail, and we're not looking at a tornado or flooding or flash flooding risk so far, but that could be changing here over the next several days as we continue to get quite a bit more moisture to swing its way on through. So your evening forecast here tonight, 85 degrees here at the 6 o'clock hour, dropping down to 74 by 10, so a nice, comfortable, muggy evening. We've had those showers and thunderstorms swinging their way in from the southwest, moving off to the northeast, and that's going to be the story. A couple of these storms will continue to be monitored here through the evening hours, and then we're going to do it again on into our Tuesday morning. So Tuesday, we start off with, again, quiet, mild, and muggy conditions, temperatures in the 60s and 70s. We'll see that elevated risk for some isolated strong to severe thunderstorms, but just like today, damaging wind and hail would be the main threat, but not really a concern when it comes to flooding and flash flooding and tornadoes. So here's your Tuesday's forecast. We're going to continue to see that southwesterly flow taking shape. Cold front's going to be swinging its way into the area. And as it approaches, it really helps to pick up that energy and moisture, I should say, moving in from the south and southwest. So getting into the afternoon and early evening hours, isolated strong to severe thunderstorms are possible across East Tennessee. And we're likely to see the heaviest rainfall across the Cumberland Plateau and the mountains. A little bit less coverage in the valley locations, although we've seen some decent amount of rain throughout our Monday evening. 2 points don't really drop a whole lot at all, really, behind this frontal boundary, so we're going to stay elevated, and that's due to the fact that we've got tropical moisture moving its way through. That's right, Potential Tropical Cyclone Nine. That's a mouthful, isn't it? Has officially been named by the National Hurricane Center. Tropical depression now could become a tropical storm early tomorrow morning. And then as we get into, say, Thursday, possibly a Category 2 hurricane barreling down right there in the Big Bend of Florida. And so we're definitely going to be tracking that because that moisture is going to be increasing into our area. Now, we're going to keep our chances of rain a little bit on the lower side Friday, Saturday, and Sunday because there's still so many unknowns with this storm system. And as it tracks its way northward, we'll keep you posted, and we'll talk about what it means for rainfall potential. But the Weather Prediction Center is painting a very much needed big picture story for us here in East Tennessee and across the entire Southeast, where we continue to have that the drought situation taking shape across much of the southeastern U.S., really. And, of course, for us here locally, we've got the severe and extreme drought that's been really developing across the area. And so we could see some beneficial rain and possibly some drought-busting rain. The problem is too much too soon is not necessarily a good thing. So flooding and flash flooding could be a possibility as we round out the week and head into the weekend, depending on the track of this next system. And we're going to possibly stay elevated in the rainfall department all the way through the first week of October. Temperature trend. Here's some relief on the way. Yes, it's going to be another hot day on Tuesday, but then those temperatures come on down to those seasonal averages. It's going to feel amazing, and it's going to be muggy. So cooler and muggy conditions, and enjoy it and embrace it because we've seen a little bit of changes, but it looks like maybe we should start to trend a little bit more average for the first week of October, which would be amazing news to pass along. It'd be nice, wouldn't it? And of course, you can always check in on your daily weather forecast updates every single day. Track the rain with the most impressive interactive radar East Tennessee has to offer you, giving you current, past, and future radar all with the push of one button. You get lightning notifications when lightning is within 15 miles. You get storm approaching notifications when storms are approaching your area. And of course, you'll get all the watches and warnings from the National Weather Service. Just search East TN Weather, all one word, in the App Store and download it today. Wake Up with the Witcher starts at 7 o'clock in the morning. Join us for a live weather update. See you then.